because it didn't have anything. Pretty soon. Thank you. The drip is different. The drip is different. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Off the top, they lock, flop, yeah. Reckless whipping, yeah. Shit. Nike ones hit 'em with the.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be vlogging. I have to go to Sephora because I did a order online. How rude. But I did an order online for some mascara and eyebrow gel because I got a gift card for Christmas and I forgot about it, so I'm like, I need to use it. And today's the last day for me to come pick it up, so I'm gonna be doing that. I might be going inside of Target. I wish that I ordered some Nike sweatpants, but like they're getting shipped to the store in the mall, but it's still not ready for pickup, which is so annoying because I should have just shipped it to my house because I thought that it was already in the store and I could just go get it. But no, they're shipping it to the store, which was the same price as shipping it to my house. So now I'm gonna have to go out of my way on another day to come pick it up when it's ready, because it's not ready yet. And it kind of sucks because I would like to pick it up in this video because I've been wanting gray Nike sweats for a long time, and I got a men's small. They're so cute and I hope they fit just right. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I felt like there was something else that I was supposed to do, but I can't remember, so maybe I'll remember like later on. I don't think the mall opens until like 11. It's only 8:19 right now. Time at, can you guys see? It doesn't even matter. It's 8:19 and I'm gonna change out of this shirt really quick because I would like to not film in this shirt all the time. And then I'm gonna go brush my teeth, wash my face, and I'm probably gonna make some breakfast. It is so cold in here. So I would put you guys, you see the junk, you see the mess. Yeah, let's put the camera back down. Okay, now that I changed my shirt to another sleep shirt, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. You know, it's funny, I bought a tongue scraper and I don't use it, so maybe I should. Like, I have two, but I stopped using it because it's like I have no case for it, so I don't want to just leave it out. Like, but I have a container to put all my hygiene stuff in. Like, I have a 3-tier bin. You guys have seen it under my desk. I'm not even about to show you, waste time. But let me grab my TheraBreath and my phone so we can go downstairs. Yay, let's go downstairs. I'm sorry I'm looking in the camera while doing this. It's because it's because you guys are inside of the mirror. You guys are inside of my mirror. That's why I was looking in the camera. I can't even open this because my hands. I'm gonna use my TheraBreath Healthy Smile one, the pink jar. This goes pretty quickly and it's really expensive. So this is like my 3rd bottle. I have a green bottle, but I don't want to use it anymore. Well, I don't use it anymore because it tasted like water. So I was like, did somebody like refill this? But the cap was sealed. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if it's supposed to taste like that. If you guys have the dark green bottle of TheraBreath. Okay, now that we're done, go to the kitchen really quick and I'm gonna start on my breakfast. I'm gonna see what I want. There's dishes in the sink, of course, so I might have to stand there and wash a few just so I can have like room to eat and like space to film, like where it's not messy. So I'm just gonna clean off the sink really quick. Okay, I just finished cleaning all the dishes. This is all the clean dishes in that pile, and this is the sink. It's filled with suds. I'm going to be making, put you guys back in the cabinet so you guys can see. So I got some English muffins, and I'm probably gonna make, we got some eggs because I do want to make eggs and put it on a sandwich. And we also got some turkey sausage links. I haven't made sausage in so long, and I finally found turkey sausage because I don't eat pork, so this should be interesting. This is Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausage links. So I think I'm gonna just do that, and I'm gonna add cheese to the eggs because I want to be really simple. After cleaning all these dishes, I'm like over it. So we're just gonna do that, and I have to go upstairs and do my hair because, like I said, we're going out. I already showered late last night, so I'm not showering again. Like, I know some people will be like, oh, we're gonna get in the shower again, but no, nothing happened last night. Like, I got in the shower like 12 a.m. Like, I get in the shower really late, so it doesn't make any sense for me to try to like get in at 8 in the morning. Like, that's ridiculous. I don't know if I have to let these thaw out. I haven't made sausage in so long. So we're gonna make, okay, we're just gonna make maybe, I'm gonna make all of these actually. And one flew over here. I'm just gonna throw it out. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil like Rachel Ray. Some oil in. Good. I'm about to start on my eggs. So my sausage is cooking up. I'm probably gonna dice it to put it on my English muffin. I'm just gonna let them sizzle. I need cheese. I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on my eggs. And I think I'll have some cranberry apple juice just to test it out and see how it tastes. And I need to get the butter for my egg pan because I haven't started on that yet. So let's do that really quickly. I'm doing a lot. Let that sizzle around, get the pan all greasy, you know, just a little 1-2, and then I'm gonna just dump my eggs inside of here very quickly. All right, this is my food. My eggs, they look a little burnt, but they're not. It has cheese in it. It just flipped over. So it's some mozzarella and my sausage. I'm probably just gonna eat it on the side or just like put it inside the sandwich because I don't feel like cutting it. And then I got some cranberry apple juice. It's really good. Okay, let's eat. Guys, so I put together an outfit, but I'm really not sure. I feel like I could probably wear my ones with this. I have a lot of white going on and then like some black sweats. So I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror if you could even see. So I have on this long sleeve turtleneck with this V-Lone shirt. The back has Juice WRLD on it. And then I have on some black sweats with my Air Force Ones. And I really like it. But I feel like I can put on my Jordans with this and that would look even better. So I don't really know. I don't know why I'm doing all this. I'm literally going to like 2 places. So I'm in the bathroom because it's better lighting, and I was just looking at myself in the mirror to see what my outfit looks like. I don't know how I feel about the pants. I mean, I think it'll work, but I showed you guys my outfit in my room, but I have on this V-Lone Juice WRLD t-shirt with a long sleeve turtleneck and some sweats and my Air Force Ones. Ah, my bun! We're in the car and we're about to go. Like I said, I have to go pick up some stuff from Sephora. I wanted to take pictures of my outfit, but my mom don't know how to take no photos, so I don't really know about that. All right, so we just got to the mall. I'm in the parking lot. It's Sephora. Hello? Hello? Yeah, hold on. I'm in the mall. Hold on, I'm in the mall. 1 second. I said hello. Yeah, I can hear you. I said I'm in the mall. Hold on. Hold on. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. Thank you. You too. Alright, so I just left out of Sephora and I got my stuff. I don't know where else we're going. I didn't have any plans to do anything else. I just want to take a picture, but my outfit, I don't really know if I like it too much. But yeah. This shirt is cute. A little crop top. It's $9. That's not really a sale. $10 for a shirt. Okay guys, so I'm inside of Saks and I found these Pajar snow boots and they're on clearance for $59, but they have an extra 30% off, I believe. How nice. And it matches my Pajar coat. My coat is black and these are so cute. What do y'all think? So I found this cute, well, my mom found this cute jacket. It's like a camo print, but it's pink and cream and green and it's so cute. I kind of want to get it. It's supposed to be 60% off of $179, so we're gonna see the price, but it fits me so well and it's so pretty. I'd rather have this over the boots because I would definitely wear this more and it looks so cute on me. So we will see when we get to the register if I even get any of these things. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I'm finishing this ice cream because I'm so hungry.
Both Haley and I
We're making some mozzarella sticks. This is the Ben & Jerry's milk and cookie.
We ran up to the first male employee we saw and told him that there's a man following us. He started to ask us a question. I can't remember what.
So from Sephora, I did an order pickup because I had a gift card that I got for Christmas, and I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the mini version. Pretty sure you guys heard of this before because everybody talks about it. So I thought this would be good to get. And then I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is also the mini version because I only had a $25 gift card and this was $24 altogether. So I was just like, okay, like I need a mini one because I don't really do makeup. So yeah. But I actually want to start, but this, I want to see how this actually is. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. Eager. Okay. Wow, nice. I got these biker shorts that I just found on a rack. They didn't have a price on it. It just said size small, but these are actually $3, so I just got them because you can't have too many, and all I have is black biker shorts and I have like one gray pair. So this is like something that I could wear and like lounge around in. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it, and let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see on my channel. I tell you guys this all the time, like leave some feedback for me. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Phenomenal, you blowing smoke. Not on my way till I'm adios. Could give a fuck about these bitches lying on dick, trying to stay in the mix. Smoking cookie, little yachty, counting dough. Get my cake up and they hate. No, I can't kick it with no fakes. Nah, gang shit every day.